to the allotment on a quite cool June 17th, Father's Day. I got an Egg McMuffin. Can't complain. It's been particularly cool. I was watching the news yesterday on the TV, and they said it had been the coolest what was it? It was the coolest June 16th for 16 years. So it hasn't been this cool for 16 years. It was 18 degrees yesterday, which was just pretty amazing. We've had a lot of rain, cooler temperatures. I think everything likes the rain. The weeds, especially, the weeds are thriving. If you're growing weeds on your allotment, then you're in luck. So we're gonna, we need to get some potatoes up and a bit of a tidy up, pick some beans. Bit of a shout out to Chipping Sudbury Cricket Club. Hope the season's going well, lads. Anyway, potatoes call. Quite a lot here. We dug out all those potatoes. Still got about a row left. The broccoli looks a bit odd actually. Doesn't look very healthy. Tomatoes, best skip past the tomatoes quite quickly. Beans still doing well. I'm going to pick some more. These are the little broccolis. Curly kale, it's alright. These bits, these little ones I took out, they seem to be establishing. There's too many of them now. Daikon, let's pick, what can we pick? Daikon are going past their best actually. We need to pick some. Three. Ooh, that's quite a decent one. Any others? Take one more. Wow, there's a giant one. These two giants are too close. There's a good one. That's quite a good one. There's too many now. We'll never eat all that. well, that's it. I've picked some stuff. Picked some daikons, a couple of big ones, a couple of small ones. We've got some potatoes, got a lot in there. Got some more beans. We've got a few tomatoes. Now that's good eating there. A family could live off that for about a day, and then they would start to complain. But it's okay. Yeah, it's warming up. It was very cool the last couple of days, but it's not. I'm not complaining. Certainly not. It's nice to have a bit of cool weather. It is rainy season, and it's usually a little bit cooler in rainy season. Potatoes now. Look at these. These are two massive massive. When I say massive, I mean 15 square meters. And these are both ready to be picked, aren't they? Look at these. That's where we are. I was trying to grow some of this. This is shiso, which I think is perilla. It's nice if you chop it up, put in a salad. There's two colours. There's like the red one and this green one. The red one is used to wrap things up and give it a kind of red tinge. The aubergine, or nas as they call them in Japanese. They are also ripening, flowering and ripening. We've got to that point in the season, I think, where there's a slight change now. We've had that first harvest, potatoes and the beans and the daikon, and now we're thinking about mid to late summer. So I'm going to bring the turmeric. I got two really good turmeric plants, seedlings. They're good at the moment. I'm going to bring those down here. Can't come next week. I'm away next week. Got a race next week. Big race. But the week after, I will come down and I'll put the turmeric in, because it is really warm now. And it's very tropical. It's kind of humid and it's warm. But that's it for now. So this is John from the Allotment saying thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.